How to earn free money just by sitting at home. Are you interested in making for some free money? I know that's a stupid question because who cannot be interested in making free money just by sitting at home and doing nothing? Today we have brought some options for you by which you can earn money by doing nothing. You will need just some cash to earn from. Hi, this is the Financial Educator where we provide you with helpful information about finances, investing and income. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to get informed when we release a new video. Lastly, give this video a huge thumbs up, and now let's move on to our video. You must be thinking that this video says how you can earn free money, and then I mentioned that you will need some money to earn free money. I know it's confusing, but when I will tell you about all the options you will get all the things right, and once you will start earning it will get addicting, and you will be looking for more ways to earn more. Now, let's dig into our list. 1. Dividend stocks. The first thing on our list is to buy dividend stocks. You will need some money for it, but that money will not go to waste. Here I will tell you everything about dividend stocks and will also give you some tricks about how you can earn maximum money from it. First of all, what you have to do is to look for some profitable companies like Apple, Dell, Samsung, etc. You have to look for those companies about which you are sure that if you invest in them, you have at least 80 to 90% chance to earn profit from it. Now you have to take your $1,000 and buy stocks. Every company has different profit rates. Like if you buy a stock of Apple and if they have 2% rate of their stocks, then after a year you will earn $20 extra from your $1,000, but that $20 depend on their profit rate. If the company will earn more profit you will get more money from your 2% rate, and similarly if the company you have invested in lose, then you will lose your money as well. That's why I am giving you a tip by which you can save your money from loss and earn more profit per year. First of all, what you have to do is to divide your $1,000 into 4 sections, and each section will have $250. Then what you have to do is to invest each $250 into different companies. So if one company will earn more profit you will get more money, and if a company face loss the following year, then the profit you have earned from the other company will fulfill your loss, so that is the trick in the stock market. It seems little tricky, and you have to keep digging in more to earn full-time income from it, but when you will start earning money it will get addicting, and you will just find ways to earn more and more. 2. Bonds. The second thing on our list is bonds. Just keep looking for bonds and whenever you get a chance invest in them. Now what are bonds and how you can invest in them? You can say that bond is type of a chance that different companies and sectors give you to invest in them. These companies and sectors can be private or under government as well. They can be different type of properties or business as well, such as restaurants, cinema, government skyline companies and any other thing you can think about. How you can invest in them and what you will get. You must be thinking that you may get profit share from these companies. Then no, it is not like that. Bond is kind of a loan you give for their investment. The companies then return the loan with an interest. You have to do nothing to earn from bonds. All you need is money and give them loan. The companies will give you their term and conditions for loan and interest rate as well. If you agree to their term and condition then you just have to hand over your money to them and they will return your money back with interest. If they don't return the money back in the specific period of time, then you know it's the good thing for you. Your interest rate will keep on increasing and you will get more money. I will recommend you to invest in some legit companies because if you invest money in a company and it don't pay you back then there can be a huge problem. You should invest in some legit and private companies as they will pay you back on good terms. 3. REIT. The third thing on our list is REIT. REIT stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. You can invest in real estate as well. There are many different options to invest in real estate. By investing in real estate you earn money quickly as compared to dividend funds in which you get paid annually. How you can invest in real estate now. When a person buy an apartment you put your share in it. When that apartment get gold you get profit accordingly. Means if you have invested 20% in total amount that took to buy that apartment. When it gets sold you will get 20% from the profit. In this business you earn more and quick money. You can invest in commercial properties as well if you have more money to invest. As commercial properties rates are higher than residential ones. You can earn more money by investing in commercial properties. 4. Index funds. The fourth thing on our list is index funds. If you know what dividend stocks are or are already investing in them, then you must go for index funds as well. Index funds are kind of dividend funds but a little different. In index funds you take control of your money and decide where you want to invest it. Here, different companies offer you different profit rates, so you get to choose where you want to invest. In index funds you can invest your money in different companies, stores, restaurant and many more. There is one thing that in index fund you have to pay some kind of fees as well. These fees or tax depend on the company you are investing in. Just try to look for those stores that have low funding fee so that you can earn more money from your investment. 5. YouTube. The fifth thing on our list is YouTube. Like I have always said before that it is not something that will start giving you money right after you put your first video on it. Now you must be thinking that in the start of this video I mentioned that you will need some cash to earn money, and you must have heard from every other person on YouTube that you can create your channel for free. Yes, you can create your channel for free, and it is totally free as well. But if you don't have good quality camera and a good PC, then you have to invest money for your YouTube channel. You have to buy a good quality camera and a PC with good specifications to run your video editing software smoothly. You have to record good videos and invest a lot of time in editing them. Then you will earn good amount of money because if your video will be good, then definitely people will want to watch more from you as well. I will advise you to go for YouTube channel when you love making videos or are passionate about it. Otherwise you will not be able to keep the consistency and then there will be no use for creating YouTube channel. 6. Affiliate marketing. The sixth thing on our list is affiliate marketing. I almost have mentioned this thing in almost every video. It means that you must start doing this. When you start a YouTube channel then you can easily go for affiliate marketing. Amazon is the best option worldwide to do affiliate marketing as it ships product almost in every country. If you have followers that are from different countries, then they can also buy product from your affiliated links as well. You can give your followers affiliated links about the camera you use, microphone and tripod stand as well. If you have a fan following on Instagram then you can provide the affiliated links there as well for the product you already talk about or think your followers can be interested in. That was all for this video. If you have any question or want us to cover a specific topic about finance, investment or income, please leave a comment. Alright, that does it. See you in the next video.